Today's topic is solar thermal power plant. Solar thermal power plant. Firstly, I will discuss what is the solar thermal power plant. Then I will discuss working principle of the solar thermal power plant. What is solar thermal power plant? A solar thermal a solar thermal power plant solar thermal power plant utilize heat utilize heat energy of solar radiation or rays to generate electrical energy. Okay, that's mean a solar thermal power plant utilize which types of energy? Solar energy are utilized. The solar radiation or solar energy are utilized to generate electrical energy. These types of plant are called solar thermal power plant. Firstly, introduce what is solar thermal power plant. Okay, solar thermal power plants are electrical generation plants that's utilize energy from the sun to heat fluid or water. Okay, heat sun to heat fluid or water to a high temperature. Okay, this fluid then transfer its heat to water, which then becomes superheated steam. This steam is then used to turn turbine in a power plant. Okay, and this mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy by a generator. This types of generation is essentially the same of electrical generation that's use other power station. Okay, Thus, then I discuss which parts are required the solar thermal power plants. The main parts, the main parts or instruments of the solar thermal power plants are the main parts of solar thermal power plants are first one is flat plate solar flat plate solar collector. Okay, second is hot water tank, third one heat exchanger, fourth turbine, then generator, six condenser, seven circulating pump, and eight cooling tower. Okay, solar thermal plants are required. This mainly eight parts are required for solar thermal power plant. First, flat plate solar collector. These types of collector we have already discussed before lecture. You will must see this lecture. Okay, flat plate solar collector, that's or the solar rays or solar energy is absorbed from the sun, and that solar energy is converted to heat energy and then so the flat plate solar collector or one solar energy to heat energy or work mainly convert the solar energy to heat energy. This heat energy are transferred to the water. This heat are transferred to water or liquid, and these types of water are stored in a hot water tank. so use hot water tank. Okay, this water tank are stored the water, hot water. This hot are hotted by the flat plate solar collector. Okay, then use the parts heat exchanger. This hot water are circulated by the turbine and the and turn to uh, and transferred to heat exchanger. This heat are a hot water tank uh, through by the pump are pushed and uh, this water are transferred to the heat exchanger box. Okay, then this heat exchanger are produced a superheat steam. This steam are throughout to or forcefully forward to the turbine. Okay, then use the turbine and then turbine are connected to the generator. We have already discussed before station, power station. This turbine also same, generator also same. This generator or also called synchronous generator or AC generator or alternator. Okay, these generator are used for solar thermal power plant. Then use condenser, circulating pump. Two or three or more circulating pump are used in this power plant. Cooling tower are also used for system cooling system cooling purpose. Okay, then I will draw the block diagram and simple layout diagram of solar thermal power plant. First point is hot water tank. Then I will draw the hot water tank. This is the hot water tank. Hot water tank. This is the pump. Okay, this is the solar collector. This is the solar collector. Sun solar collector. Then I will draw the tube. This is the heat exchanger. This is the heat exchanger. Okay, this is the pump. The pump. Okay, this is the condenser. This is the condenser. Okay, this is the cooling tower. This is the coupling, mechanical coupling. This is the generator. G, electrical output. Okay, this is the turbine. Okay, the first point is hot water tank. This is the hot water tank. Then heat exchanger. This is the heat exchanger. Okay, this is the then turbine. This is the turbine. then we use generator, this is the generator, then you use condenser, this is the condenser, then circulating pump, this is the circulating pump, this is the circulating pump. 1 2 3 are pump here use, okay, or more use. Cooling tower, then this is the cooling tower, okay, this is the cooling tower, cooling tower, this is the condenser, okay. How it working principle, okay. First we will draw hot water tank. This is the solar collector. Mainly flat types are collector. Various collector are used. Mainly flat plate solar collector are mainly used. There is the sun rays are emitted from sun. These rays are collected by the solar collector. This collector are this solar energy or solar rays are collected by the solar collector, and this energy are converted, and this energy is energy are converted to the heat. This heat are circulated by the pump, and this water or liquid are heated, also heated. This heated water are circulated by the pump and stored in the hot water tank. This is the hot water tank, okay. Uh, these types of hot water tank are storage the water, water that's water are hotted by the solar collector, flat collectors, okay. Then this hot water by the pump are circulated and transferred to the heat exchanger. This is called heat exchanger. We have already known the heat exchanger working principle, okay. This when the heat exchanger are conduct to another pipe, and heat are circulated in the heat exchanger. There are two pipe are conducting the conducting. When the time this heated are transferred to another pipe to another pipe by the heat exchanger. These pipe are also heated, much more heated, and in this turbine uh, in this turbine water also be heated, and and this turbine water also be produced a superheated steam. So this heated steam are flow are pumping by the pump are forced to the turbine blade, and this steam are forcefully flowed to the turbine blade, and the turbine are rotate. The turbine shaft are connected to the synchronous generator or alternator. This is called synchronous generator, alternator, or AC generator, and this generator are produced mechanically coupled to the turbine shaft, and this generator are produced electricity or electrical current. So by the and and when it is used by the turbine, this steam, and then use after then use this steam are circulated by the pump to through flow to the condenser. This is called condenser. Condenser are mainly working principle. Condenser, we know this heat are exchange. That means this there are present in a cooling tower. Cooling tower are this hotted steam are um, are cooled by the cooling tower. This when steam hotted steam, superheated steam are connecting with the cooling tower, then this hotted steam are converted to the cold water, then cold water are circulated by the pump to the this tube, okay, and then is rotated to heat exchanger. Continuously this processing are continuously continue present. So okay, this is the working principle of solar thermal power plants, okay. Thank you.